VoiceOver, want 2 Snapchat accounts on one Android phone? Let's set up a second Snapchat in under a minute. VoiceOver, first, open your Settings app. On-screen caption, Step 1, open Settings. VoiceOver, scroll until you see Dual Apps, App Twin, or Clone Apps. The name can change by phone brand. On-screen caption, find Dual/Clone Apps. VoiceOver, tap that option to open the cloning menu. On-screen caption, open cloning menu. VoiceOver, look for Snapchat in the list. On-screen caption, find Snapchat. VoiceOver, turn Snapchat on to create a second copy of the app. On-screen caption, toggle on. VoiceOver, go back to your home screen. On-screen caption, back to home. VoiceOver, you'll now see 2 Snapchat icons, one original, one new. On-screen caption, 2 Snapchat apps. VoiceOver, open the first Snapchat and stay logged into your main account. On-screen caption, main account. VoiceOver, then open the second Snapchat icon. On-screen caption, second account. VoiceOver, log in with your other Snapchat account here. On-screen caption, login number 2. VoiceOver, that's it. 2 Snapchat apps, 2 accounts, 1 Android phone. On-screen caption, done. Party Popper.